This week we're going to highlight updated crop condition ratings for soybeans as we're in the month of July. We're also going to take a look at some short-term weather trends and wrap things up with some really concerning trends about export sales. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the month of July here, and this market remains historically volatile. Let's start out this week looking at our map of updated crop condition ratings for beans. Now, as usual here, our red circles imply deterioration in good to excellent conditions, green circles imply improvement, and the yellow circles imply unchanged. Now, nationwide, we did see a good to excellent decline of 2 percentage points. However, it's still above last year, it was only 59%. With a couple of key exceptions, we did see deterioration across nearly the entire belt. The key exceptions are Minnesota and North Dakota did improve a bit from last week. Now, as we move into the month of July here, of course, more of these soybeans will be blooming and start to set pods. Let's take a look at the short-term weather. Our forecast this week, as usual, is courtesy of T-storm weather. We're starting out this week looking at our map of 30-day precipitation totals, a proxy for subsoil moisture. Now, this is our map from 2 weeks ago. Notice we're starting to see some hints of dryness there in those red areas, parts of Illinois, as well as Indiana, and parts of Minnesota. Now we're looking at the same map for this week, and you can see that those areas have become more pronounced. We're getting more widespread concern about subsoil moisture deficits. Now we're looking at rainfall from this week. What this map shows is total rainfall through Friday, July 8th. Now those pink areas do overlap with some of those areas I just highlighted that were dry. And in that pink area, we may get as much as 1.5 to 3 inches through Friday of this week. And even in that green area here, we'll get some rainfall. So this is important, of course, as we approach corn pollination. Now we're looking ahead to next week, July 9th to the 16th. The best chance for rain is up in the northwest corn belt, northern plains. But otherwise, it looks like it may be a bit dry next week. Temperatures seasonable to slightly cool. That makes this week rainfall event very important. Now we're looking at the next 2 weeks in the aggregate. The far eastern corn belt is the heaviest amounts of rain in the green. A lot of the rest of the Midwest does see normal amounts of precip. The exceptions being Nebraska, parts of Missouri, as well as Kansas, where it continues to be dry. Let's switch gears now and look at trends in export sales. Now we're starting out here looking at our unshipped soybean book here as of late June. And we're still looking at the second highest level of unshipped book on beans, old crop, as we near the end of the crop year here. Here's the key message that we want to highlight, is that in the latest week of export sales, we did see a marketing year low, and it was a negative total for old crop, a negative 4.4 million bushels. We saw some cancellations of previous sales, and the key question is this the start of a trend? Will we see additional cancellations to the unknown category or China in the weeks ahead? We'll be monitoring that for you very closely. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in November soybean futures. Now we've seen a significant change in this chart of November soybean futures. November 2022 soybean futures are now near $13.15 a bushel, or down $2.67. That's 17% since June 1st. This is a strong message that price is unpredictable, and it's very important that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.